Okay, so I got the core support all welded in here. I was planning on originally spot welding this thing in, but I didn't. I plug welded it just because there wasn't a whole lot of room to stack new spot welds alongside of the old ones. So I went ahead and plug welded it. I think it will make for a stronger repair. And I got that piece of sheet metal replaced in there. So once I get that lower portion for the battery box, the reinforcement that goes on the bottom, I'll go ahead and weld that in on the bottom. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the core support all welded in. Turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Customer came by today, he saw it, he was very pleased with what's going on and how the work's going. You can't really see the back side, but all of them plug welds got good penetration, nice burn through on all of them. So, yeah. If you guys have any questions about fitting this or any of the procedure, go ahead and drop me a comment and let me know. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.